About to fall. Here we go. What's up, everybody? Dante here. Finally. That's all I'm gonna say. You see what it is. Finally. Finally got my hands on one. Almost a year. Can't go into any store. Nothing like that. Then when I tried to, order it online, you had to be at a certain time, and it was terrible. So, I finally got one, so let's go and unbox this thing. I'm gonna do this off to the side. Uh-oh. Okay. Uh-oh. Alright, let me take it down here. So. Okay. What do I have? Okay. Booklet. Anything under here? Oh, the stand. HDMI. Alright, we got the power cable, so that means it's a built-in power supply. Hold on, am I right? I believe so. Let me double check before I say that. Power, HDMI. The controller. Okay. I hope this cord is longer than like 3 feet, because Sony had a bad habit of giving you a charging cable that's like 3 feet long. But I got the charging dock, so I didn't have to worry about that. So kind of like a just in case thing, because you know they have a habit of doing that. Matter of fact, I want to see right now. I'm not going to waste no time. Let me see. It's not quite 6 feet. Cause I believe the time was spent. Well, mine's is about 6 feet. So, well, it probably is 6 feet. Maybe my wingspan is a little longer than I thought it was. All right, we got the controller. Supposedly, they got these little resistance things, like when you're doing certain moves and stuff, whatever I do, the controller get tight on you. So, I want to see how that plays out. All right, let's see. Oh, the big boy. Anything in there? Kind of heavy. Alright, hopefully I got it right side up. That's going to be terrible. Alright. And here's the shell. I got the optical drive one. So they have a USB Type-C and a USB Type-C and a USB-A port. I guess these are power buttons, eject button maybe. On the back, we have HDMI, Ethernet port, and 2 USB Type-A ports. One thing I have noticed, I'm not sure about the Xbox, I have seen this, they no longer have the optical port, so you can get like surround sound. If you got like a receiver and plug in the cord that way, you can get it. But I guess, don't hold me to it, but I guess some receivers now have HDMI input, and I guess they can get 5.1 or 7.1 or whatever point ones they on now to get like surround sound when you're playing your gaming. But as I see right now, there's no optical port that allows you to plug it into your receiver and get 5.1 surround sound. That's the same system I had for years. I can see I can't hook it up to that, so I guess I'll be hooking it up to a sound bar and my TV, and that's that. But this is the unboxing. I can't believe how big this thing is. Like, I'm looking at the screen behind y'all and just seeing how big this thing is. And there you have it. Unboxing of the PS5. You know what I gotta do next? Gotta set this thing up, get online, set everything up, get the updates. I got a few games. I got the Spider-Man's Miles Morales, Ghost of Tsushima Director's Cut, Resident Evil Village, Returnal, and this game called Medium. It was a time exclusive on the Xbox, which I didn't know. And what really psyched me out about that game, what got me interested in that, you play this character, but you can play between two different worlds. Like you can play in the real world and the spirit world at the same time. I thought that's real cool as far as like how that can play out in the video game and how it can mess with your mind at the same time. So I'm looking forward to playing that. So that's pretty much it. Anybody who has a PlayStation 5, post your comments in the comment section. Let me know any little tips and tricks to hook this bad boy up, anything else, or features, or settings I should do. Let me see. How do you put this on? I just feel like it's something else to it. Oh, I'm going to leave it alone and figure it out later. Well, thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoy. Hit that like, hit that subscribe button. See you in the next video. Peace.